Hello teacher, my name is María Teresa Manjarres Martínez. Pronunciation activity. 1. Did you good read on your letter what was the most interesting? You visited it toward various parts. The most interesting place was an installation on street outside of Bogota. 2. What intrigued most or none of your Ave treat or king to reconcile from what treat Ajiaco and treat Bogota Soup. 3. What place and you miss visiting on your trip? Well, miss go through chats in Slack, a place where have fun, meet travel friends. 4. What was remains included activity you did on your trip? What in your dot? Well, good to Nogmari Park Place, good to trail, Cerro de Montserrat in Bogota. Indeed, it rode a big kind of different foods. 5. Where are trees between what ave apenello on trees menti god. The best king ave with healthy good normal from one chichat in climate.